Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. And in the previous class, we have learned about consumer price index numbers, and we have spoken about the types of consumer price index numbers. Number one is aggregative expenditure method. Using that method, we can calculate consumer price index number, as well as another method which is called as family budget method. Using that family budget method, we can also find out consumer price index number. Consumer price index number or the cost of living index number is what we need to learn, and we need to do it, students. It is a cost met by a specified class of consumers in buying baskets of goods and services. Right. Now, these two formulae that we have it in calculating cost of living index number or the consumer price index number, right? To which of the method can be used is purely based on the data available to us, students. So, looking at the data, what is given to us, we are supposed to calculate the consumer price index numbers. Okay. So, I hope you are understanding this part, students. Okay. Now, the problem that is there on the screen right now is very clear to you, students. It has been told as calculate the consumer price index number for the year 2012 with respect to the base 2005. Calculate consumer price index number for the year 2012 with respect to the base 2005. This is what is the question that is given to us. Now you can see here they have given us various commodities. Okay, the first commodity is rice, sugar, dal, tea, fuel, cloth, house rent, miscellaneous, and the units consumed is also given to us. Rice is being consumed in quintals. Okay, and sugar in quintals, dal in quintals, tea in kgs, fuel monthly wise consumption, cloth yearly wise, house rent monthly, miscellaneous monthly. So the units that are given to us are these. So these are the ones which have been used already, which are used in the past. So that's why this can be called as quantities, students. This can be called as quantities. Q. Quantities of what? Quantities of the base year. Okay. So I'll take this to be as Q naught. This whole column is taken to be as Q naught. Now they have given us price per unit in rupees of 2005 as well as 2012. Now 2012 is the current year, 2005 is the base year, and 2005 prices are given to us. So that means this column for us would be P naught, students. This column is P naught and this column would be P1. Is that right? Okay. Now these are the three columns that we have it, students. Now based on these three columns, that is P1, P naught, and Q naught, which is the formula that we can apply? So the formula that we can apply is what, students? It is aggregative expenditure method. Aggregative expenditure method. So aggregative expenditure method formula is given to us as, I'll write it as aggregative expenditure method, or we can call this to be as AEM. AEM. So what is the formula for it? It is given by P01 is equal to summation P1 Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught into 100. Is that right? Yes. So this is the formula that we have it. Now what we require to do here is we need to find out P1 Q naught, students. We need to find out P1 Q naught. Okay. Okay. We need to find out P1 Q naught. Then we need to find out P naught Q naught. So the first column that we need to find out is P1 Q naught. The next one is P naught Q naught. These are the two columns that we have to find out, students. Okay. So we have Q naught, we have P naught, we have P1. So P1 Q naught, the first one, P1 and Q naught. That is 3,800. Okay, 3,800 into 4. Is it right? Into 4 is over 15,200, students. 15,200. Okay, this is the value that we get, 15,200. Fine. Then we have next one is 3,200 into into 0.6.6, okay, is 1920 students, is 1920, okay, 1920 students. The next is 6400 into 1 is, as it is 6400 only students. Is it right? I'll write it as 6400. Next is 100 into 3. 100 into 3. It's how much? 300. 300. Then we have 1000 into 12. 1000 into 12 is equal to 12,000. So it will be something around, right. The next is 600 into 1. Okay, is 600. I'll write it as 600. Then 3200 into 12. Okay, so it would be 38,400. 38,400. And the last one is 3000 into 12 is 36,000. So it would be something around, okay, 36,000. So when we add this all students, okay, so it will be how much? Somewhere around 1,10,820 you get. Okay, 1,10,820. Is that okay? So if you want, you can just check it out, zero altogether, right? You can just calculate that 15,200 plus 1,920 plus 6,400 plus 300 plus 12,000 plus 600 plus 38,400 plus 36,000 is 1,000, right? 1,10,820. Is that right? Okay. The same way, likewise, itself, we can think about having, okay, we can have something like uh, for the P naught and Q naught. So what is that P naught and Q naught that we can have? What are the values that we have? Is the same students. Okay, so it is 1,600, 1,600 into 4, right? Is how much? 6,400 students. 6,400. Okay, then next is 1,500 into zero point 0.6. 0.6 you get as 900 students. It is 900. Okay, then next is 2,100 into 1. Okay, it is 2,100 itself. 2,100 itself. Okay, the next one is 60 into 3 is equal to 180. Okay, so this is next one is 400 into 12. 400 into 12 is equal to 4,800 students. 4,800. 4,800 memory plus. Okay, the next is 500 into 1 is equal to 500. Okay, this is 500. The next is 1,500 into 12 is 18,000 students. It is 18,000. Okay. Then 2,000 into 12 students. It is 24,000. It is 24,000. I'll just do it. Okay. So now when we add up all those things, right, let's check it out whether we will be getting, I don't think so, it will be more than this. Okay, let me verify it doing manually. 6,400 plus 900 plus 2,100 plus 180 plus 4,800 plus 500 plus 18,000 plus 24,000 is 56,000. Okay, 56,880 is what. So what is this? This is summation P1 Q naught, students. This whole thing is summation P1 Q naught, and this is summation P naught Q naught, students. Okay. So we have these two values. So now when we just go about uh, when we just go about you know going for this problem, solving this problem. So we can apply this formula here into this. That is equal to summation P1 Q naught is 1 lakh 10,820 divided by 56,880 into 100. This is, we have it, students. So now when we do this calculation, it would be 1 lakh 10,820 divided by 56,880 is equal to, it's how much, is we get as 1.94831 into 100. So we multiply with 100, we will be getting it as 194.831 percentage, students. So we can say the increase of, there is an increase of, we can say there is an increase of 94.83%. This is what we can say, students. Increase of 94.83% is how we calculate this aggregative expenditure method, cost of living index number, students. I hope you have followed this problem, students. Okay, go through this problem once again and try to solve this problem. It will be good for you to understand. Okay, right. Thank you very much. We'll follow, we'll solve some more problems in the next class.